Hi, a girl from my PG became my friend just to scam me 2.5 lakhs, and this is exactly how they do it. So one day I was cooking in the kitchen. We had a common cooking area in our PG. So this girl came there and started casual talk like where are you from, where do you work, and about family. I thought it's normal because we do talk like this when we meet someone new. But she stayed there with me almost half an hour while I was cooking, and before leaving, she asked me my number. I gave it because by then we had talked so much. I thought it's fine. After a few days, she messaged me, "Hey, are you free? Can I come to your room?" I said, "Oh, okay." Then she came, and again we talked casually. And but that time she mentioned she is doing some kind of business and it has potential to earn in crores. But I didn't ask much. That time I was already busy in my own life. But after that, whenever we meet in canteen or elevator, uh, every time she would bring up her business. And finally I asked her what exactly she is doing. So she said she will tell me if I'm interested to join, like I can join her too. So I said okay. She said there are already 500 plus applications in the queue, and I will give your name. If you are shortlisted, then you will get receive call from them. I said okay. Then next day I got call from them कि yeah, congratulations, you are shortlisted and we will schedule an interview. So that time I got suspicious, like she mentioned there are 500 plus applications, and I mean, on what basis they shortlisted me? Like I did not even submit a resume. Then on what basis they shortlisted me? I told this to my roommate. She said yeah, it looks like scam, but let's see what they want. So I joined interview. Then a guy explained 30 minutes PPT, and then asked me questions like what is business, and who invented electricity, like random questions he asked. And after that he said ki, yeah, next stage of interview, like senior guy will take another interview. So the senior bald guy joined, and first question he asked ki, write down your goals. So I wrote car, bungalow, and gold for my mom. So then he calculated everything, like you want car, so you need 25 lakhs for that. Then for bungalow you need 70 to 80 lakhs in your hometown, and for the gold you need 10 to 15 lakhs. Then you have younger sibling, for his education you need 10 to 15 lakhs. Like this he calculated everything, 2 crores. And then he asked me, do you think your 9 to 5 job will give you this? I said no. Then he said ki okay, the only way to earn this is to start your own business. I said okay. Then I asked him ki exactly what I need to do here. So he said ki he can't tell me right now. He will tell me what is the job once I join. I said how can I join if I don't know the job description? So he said ki if you want to join Starbucks, will they tell you their recipe before joining? So this was the